Welcome to ClearTask. Today we are looking at how to quickly add rows and columns to a table in Microsoft PowerPoint. To expand your table using the ribbon menu, click inside the specific cell where you want the new row or column to appear. This will bring up the table design and layout tabs at the top of your screen. Click on the Layout tab. In the Rows and Columns group, you will see options to insert above, insert below, insert left, or insert right. Simply click the one you need, and your table will instantly expand. For an even faster approach, you can use the right-click menu. Right-click directly inside any cell adjacent to where you want the new space. Hover your mouse over the Insert option in the drop-down menu. A secondary menu will slide out, giving you the exact same options to add rows above or below, or columns to the left or right. If you just need to add a single row to the very bottom of your entire table, there is a keyboard shortcut. Click inside the very last cell at the bottom right corner of your table. Then press the Tab key on your keyboard. A new row will instantly appear at the bottom. That covers the essentials of managing your PowerPoint tables. If this guide was helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to ClearTask for more direct software tutorials.